No,
And
no,
ma'am,
actually, your videos are quite,
yeah,
you are also doing good. I think. You have just
I
started your YouTube channel, no?
yeah, ma'am, 6 months ago, last year,
Okay, okay,
in
okay, okay,
in
right, right.
Navratri, in Navratri,
Okay, okay,
and
okay, fine. You are doing.
yeah. So, ma'am, before diving into the session, first introduce each other.
Yes, 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 yes. My name is Vibha. I live in Hyderabad. I have done my teaching course, that is Nursery Teacher Training and B.Ed. Yes, now I'm running my YouTube channel to, in a bit to learn this language more and more. Apart from that, like everybody, whosoever in this journey, they like to converse with people. Same thing is with me. I also like to converse with people so as to learn more and more. Apart from English learning, I want to learn more through their experiences and I want to explore more actually to improve myself, to come out as a better person than
Yeah, yeah,
earlier. I'm
yeah.
improving a lot of things in myself along with
Okay,
learning English. So, yes, I'm enjoying my journey a lot. And yes, I have adopted so many new hobbies into me. Like earlier, I was into the practice of meditation and yoga, and I'm still continuing it. Apart from that, now I have started connecting with the nature also. Like I just
okay,
go for walk either
good, good.
morning or in the evening, and along
Okay.
with that, I feed animals. So these days, I'm into these practices.
And you said nowadays you connected with nature. Do you feel any difference in your health?
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, in my health as well as in my temperament, because earlier due to health issues, I had become very much short-tempered.
Okay.
Because, when you could not come out of your physical problems, then you become frustrated every time.
Yeah.
So that's
Yeah.
what I was going through for the previous last years. So I
Okay.
think now I'm improving a lot because I thought, how long will I be like this? So with
Okay.
time, I thought to change myself, to change my mental status. So this
Okay.
way, I think I'm improving a lot. Yes, I have to go a long way. I
Yeah.
am recovering, and still you can say 20 or 30% is left. I have
Mm.
recovered, you can say 80 to 85%, and little is left. So I think
Mm.
I will overcome with time the way I'm moving my life forward. I'm quite sure.
Mm.
So please tell me something about you.
Mm. Okay, my name is Pushpa from UP district Saranpur, and I have completed my post graduation in education subject from CCS University Meerut. And if I talk about my hobbies, I have a green thumb. I love my plant, rooftop plant, and on the other hand, I know how to stitch cloth. I am certified tailor, you can say, and I love listening old songs, Sanuda and Alka Yagnik. That's all about me. And ma'am, may I
Okay.
know how long have you been facing health issue? Which type of health issue have you been facing?
I had been struggling with stomach related issues.
Okay,
Yes, that was going on and off. Sometimes I would feel it is fine, but the next moment, again it would come up. So I think this way I was passing my time in previous years. But
okay.
yes, means I don't want to live in the same zone because it's been
Yeah,
so
yeah,
many years, I think
yeah.
10 years. So
Mm,
now I think as soon as I have changed my mental status, like whatever is with me, that will continue. How long will I keep thinking over it? So I thought, let's start this channel. Let's start something new. Maybe if I just focus myself into something else. So I can means then you do not have time to means
yeah,
definitely you should look after your health, but you do not
yeah,
think too much. You do not become overthinker then. This
yeah,
is
yeah.
going on, that is going on. Things are
Mm,
still there, but still I do not now have time to think much over my health issues. Whenever I feel low, I just lie down and take rest or eat
mm.
something good. That's it.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
now
yeah.
I do not have time to overthink about my health issues.
Okay.
So I think
Because
this way I'm.
you are busy now with your channel. That's why whatever you have free time, you spend with your channel. And here I want to share my health issue. I have been facing a rare disease since 2009. And nowadays I am on medication and I take immunity booster tablet daily and painkiller. Yeah,
Which
but
disease
now
did you tell about?
SLE,
Okay.
systemic
What kind of disease
systemic
is this?
lupus, kind of infection. It affects
Infection.
all body parts. And because of this disease, taking a lot of medicine, my backbone broken, and I had to operate my backbone since 2016. But
Okay.
now I am happy. I am not thinking about my illness.
Okay.
Yeah, and
So what
earlier,
was
earlier doctor used to say to my family member, she has only 5 years and she is not going to live after 5 years. But now I have completed 15 years of my illness
yes.
because I somewhere I come out this zone, illness zone. I don't think I am ill. I think about myself. I am a healthy
Myself,
person. I don't have any problem. Yeah,
Yes, yes, yes. I think it's all because we have started changing our mindset. What is there
mindset.
in
Yeah,
our body, definitely we can get it treated, and with time we will recover also. But why to think every time unnecessarily? We are,
yeah,
aggravating our situation just by overthinking. So it's
yeah,
better, to divert our mind
yeah, yeah,
somewhere else.
yeah,
So that was the main reason that I also started running my YouTube channel so as to get busy every time. A same situation was you? Was that the reason that you open your YouTube channel or
yeah,
something
yeah,
else?
yeah. Because
Okay.
I wanted to myself indulge anything which because I had na free time, a lot of free time. My children grown up, settled, married. They have children, so that's why I am free, and I started learning this language. And when I know a little bit about this language, so I have created my channel, and I am busy nowadays with my channel, ma'am. And I
Okay.
think okay, okay, go ahead.
No, no, please, please continue.
And may I know about your journey? I think you have good at grammar since your schooling, and you have learned right now, means 2 years ago.
No, no, not since my schooling. Actually, I developed interest in this language ever since I started teaching in schools.
Okay.
There also I developed interest to speak in this language because I used to see my colleagues speaking with parents with flawless English. So at that time I used to think, what if I also start speaking like them? So from those days I started, I started liking this language very much. Though after soon after that, I did not get much time to learn this language because after having my twins, I got totally indulged in, raising them up. And after that, I developed my health issues also. So I took a gap of 10 years. In between, I raised my children also, along with I was struggling with my health also. Yes, 2 years before, I thought that I have been recovering a little bit. So I thought to, let's why to suppress our skill, why to suppress our, talents and skills, which I
Yeah,
really
yeah,
wanted to improve.
yeah,
So since though 2 years before I started thinking to running this channel as a learner, and you won't believe like I have been improving. Means I have started improving in every way. Like before that, 7 to 8 months ago, I was posting only solo content related to shorts, vocabulary, slangs. That was not giving me immense satisfaction. But as soon as I started posting conversational videos, that was a different kind of feeling for me because
yeah,
along with improving yourself you are interacting with diverse people where
yeah,
you
yeah,
are coming to know their journey, their
yeah.
experiences through which you can also relate. So I think sitting at home you are getting so much to learn.
So,
So I
yeah,
think I'm enjoying this one journey a lot.
and we get a lot of friend.
Yes,
In
yes, yes,
different
definitely we make a
places.
friend circle.
Yeah, and we get to know a lot of things from their culture, language. and oh, about their clothes, which type of clothes
Yes, yes,
they wear, and
yes, yes,
yeah, ma'am. Oh,
yes.
ask me something. I forget whatever I wanted to
Yes,
ask.
yes.
You,
Yes, I definitely wanted to ask you, like, you started this journey 6 months before. So, what kind of feeling do you, what kind of improvement do you feel for the past 6 months? Do you feel that you have improved in any way?
yeah, yeah, because earlier I was not able to speak even a single word. But nowadays you can see I am able to make shorts video. And when I see my first shorts video, I feel ashamed having seen that video. Yesterday night I saw my first video. So my daughter-in-law said, "Oh, mother, you have improved a lot and carry on your journey. You don't stop this journey." And
Yes.
earlier I was not able to read. Even I was not able to read, but nowadays I can read easily book, Sudhamurthy's book. And which type
Okay.
of book do you like, ma'am? Do
I
you?
like, yes, I like fiction books and story books which my children get issued from the library. I do not buy any special books, whatever. My children are in ninth class, so whatever books they issue from the school, I like reading those books. So
Okay.
yes, though I do not get much time and I do not develop much interest in reading, but definitely when I feel so that yes, I should read and I spare little time, so
Mm.
definitely I read. So I would say that your children must be proud of you at this time.
Yeah, yeah. They are happy and proud. And ma'am, as you, I want to ask you, with whom was your first session?
My first session
Were
was
you
with
afraid that
as
time?
yes, every time for so long. Still, I have that hesitation. Still means whenever I just email to some advanced learner or speaker or any
Yeah,
tutor, means
yeah,
before taking session even, I
yeah.
start that, fear inside
Butter,
me, like what is going to
butterfly
happen. Means it
in
is
you,
happening.
in
Yes,
stomach.
it is happening automatically. It happens
Yeah,
automatically. I'm trying to overcome it, but I feel like I should not force myself. It will
yeah,
take time as because I do not get much time to practice even because I try to, giving preference to my health. So whenever I feel like I
yeah,
just take rest. So
yeah,
yes, whenever I get to converse with someone, so I definitely take session. Yes, but definitely I'm try whenever you come to know your problem, then you can easily work over it. So that's what I have been doing it. So yes, I'm
mm,
trying to connect with advanced learners so that I can remove that station which is still somewhere inside me. So yes,
yeah, yeah,
I'm very much definite, I'm particular, I'm certain that I'll overcome it with time. What about
yeah,
you? Does it happen with you also?
yeah, yeah. Same here, ma'am. I am on same page, and my first session was with Babita Prajapati, and that time I made a mistake. I didn't know about first we need to practice with any app, and somehow one conversation video popped out in front of my eye, and immediately I send email with the
Okay.
Prajapati ma'am, and that session was very bad. And
It happens.
I haven't post that session on my channel. And
Yes,
but
it happens with
nowadays,
everyone, I think.
uh,
It happens
nowadays
with
I'm
everyone. My first session was with Manju ma'am, Manju Mishra ma'am, if
okay,
you are
okay,
aware.
okay.
Yes, yes. And my first video, when I started this channel, my first video, as I told you, that it was only shorts. I used to
Mhm.
post only 1 minute shorts. And if you go back to my initial videos, those videos, while speaking even, I am
Mhm.
moving my head a lot, right, left, forward, backward, because you feel
Okay.
whenever you go back, you feel what were we doing? So it
Yeah,
happens
yeah,
when we relate today's
yeah,
video from our previous video, we feel a lot of difference. So yes,
mm,
and we feel like many times we feel we are not improving. But when we start comparing our video from our previous one, then we come to know that we have improved a lot,
yeah,
isn't it?
yeah, yeah, yeah. And my first session was with Manju ma'am. And that time I am not able to speak properly. So that time Manju ma'am make me understand and gave me confident. If you can talk with Manju ma'am, you can talk with anyone. And from that day, I
Yes.
started gaining confidence and talking to with the YouTuber and co-learner. But nowadays, I am pretty comfortable to take session with
Yes.
anyone. Yeah.
Yes.
And
Are
when
you taking sessions daily?
no. According to my health, if I feel happy and I don't feel means pain because I'm taking medicine on daily basis, pain medicine. If I feel like to take any session, so I take. Otherwise, I refuse taking session. And yeah, I practice every day with group. Yeah,
Okay. Okay. So I just want to know one thing, like you are taking painkillers, and painkillers are something very much,
yeah,
dangerous for
yeah,
our health. So in
yeah.
spite of taking this, have you not taken suggestion from doctors if you start practicing yoga or doing some meditation kind of thing so that you can cut down on painkillers?
Yeah, because
Will it help you or not?
they doctor didn't allow me to means do any yoga because my backbone was broken.
Oh,
Na, that's why I'm
oh, you
not into
cannot do.
this yoga. Yeah, I have
Okay, okay.
a lot of health issue. I
Yes,
can't
yes,
share
yes.
all problems here on social
Yes,
media.
yes, yes.
Yeah, and
Yes,
ma'am,
but still, but yes, yes, please
yeah,
continue.
and who is your favorite YouTuber?
My favorite YouTuber whom I like to listen every
Yeah.
time is Sunita ma'am, I think. With
And also
Sunita
may
ma'am, I get to learn so many words.
okay, and Sunita ma'am uses so many phrase idioms. Yeah, I
Yes,
like
yes,
a
she
lot.
uses a lot.
Yeah, a lot. And yeah, ma'am. And you speak calmly, and I attract you, and you speak with a smiley face. And I have
Yes,
following
yes,
you na for a long time. So I thought one day, why should I talk to Vibaji? And
yes, yes, definitely. You should have messaged me earlier,
yeah,
actually.
yeah,
Because I am getting to learn, I'm learning a lot from you. Like I feel like when a person go through a lot, like we have been going
yeah,
through a
yeah,
lot uh,
yeah,
with our health issues, so I think that resilience already comes, means now we
yeah,
can deal with any kind of situation. When a person go through a lot of health issues or some other kind of issues,
yeah,
that person becomes automatically very strong and powerful.
yeah,
So that's what happening with me and you. I can see that
yeah,
smile in your on your face as well.
yeah, yeah,
Because yes, yes, I think God has chosen us,
yeah, yeah,
because
yeah,
he has seen that kind of power in us only.
yeah.
So I think
I
we
always
should.
say God has not taken me anything. I think God has given me something.
Yes, yes, yes.
Because God
I
choose
think
na a special person to give something.
yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes. I always think like this. This was the
yeah,
reason earlier in initial times, like I started developing my health issues at the age of 20, you can say 25 or 26. At that
yeah,
time, I was not very much, I was little immature. So at that time, I used to cry or used to get frustrated a lot because I was not very much mature. But with the passage of time, I understood the meaning of life.
yeah,
Like we should not get, worried or anxious. Though if something is happening, it will get over with time. We should not
yeah,
be worried. Bad times will not be continued. Though
yeah,
it was a long time, but for the
yeah.
past 3 4 years, I started to, I started to pacify myself. Like if this is the time, this will also pass by. And by God grace, now I have started improving much.
And sometime I think I have hands, legs. I'm able to move. I am able to walk. I'm able to cook for myself. But think those people, they don't have legs, hands. So when I think about my illness, so first I think those people, and after that I feel happy. I am okay. I don't have any issue.
Yes,
And
earlier we used to read these kind of news in newspapers, but now we can easily relate with these people because there is social media. You can watch these kind of videos easily on
yeah,
social
yeah,
media to boost yourself up. Like there are
yeah,
so many people who don't have even a single time food to eat. They don't have,
yeah,
like
yeah,
you are
yeah.
right, hands to eat.
Mm,
Many people are disabled. Like yesterday, I stumbled upon a video where
mm,
a mother, she was quite wealthy, she was
yeah.
financially well off, but she had two children. One
Okay.
children was mentally disabled. He was a special child, I
Okay.
would say. So
Yeah.
yes, means there is no use of so much of money if you know,
Yeah.
but you know, you can't do anything. You have
Yeah.
to do it. Whatever
Mm,
duty you has got to perform, and she was
yeah.
handling it with so much of grace. So I think whatever we are blessed with, whether it is good or bad, we should always, you know,
Yeah.
think it as an offering of God and should
Yeah.
pass it happily.
And having seen those people, I feel like I am lucky enough. I have family, I have children, and by God grace, I have my means have job to earn money to run family. So why I am worried? That's why I don't worry nowadays.
Yes,
And
yes.
before this disease, I have to face bone TV. I
Oh
have
my
I
God.
have to go 3 times completely bed rest.
Oh my God.
Yeah, but when my backbone was operated, that time doctor said to my family member, she takes 2 years to stand. So I thought means thought I am not going to means laying this type on bed. So within a 15 days I uh, stood on my legs with the help of stick, and I made tea
Oh,
for me. And my
okay.
husband
That,
said, if you are making tea, please make for me.
yes, yes.
Because
That
you know,
shows you are a resilient
yeah,
person. You are very strong.
yeah. Because if our willpower is strong now, we can defeat any disease, isn't it?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. I should have met you before. Yes, you are giving me a lot of motivation.
Yeah.
Yes, with
And
time, I think I have also improved. But when you meet such kind of people, definitely you
yeah,
boost your confidence a lot. You feel
yeah.
like you have your problems are nothing in front of
Nothing.
others.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
yes, hats
We
off to
feel
you.
like,
In
yeah,
spite of,
yeah,
you know,
yeah,
in spite of struggling with your physical issues, you have thought to start running your channel also, and from scratch even. So
yeah.
it's commendable. What can I say?
And Vibhaji, I am not behind for earning money. I learned this language according to my health. If my health allow me, I practice. If my health don't allow me, I don't practice. Because first we need to take care of our health. है ना?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Definitely, definitely. That was the only reason I also started because sitting at home, I was feeling more ill. I felt like I'm getting more sick. That was
Yeah.
the reason I started running this channel as a learner so that at least sitting at home, I can learn something. Just then to sit idle and doing nothing,
Yeah.
only doing
Yeah.
household
Yeah.
chores. At least
Mm.
your mind is occupied every time with something. So that is the reason I also started.
And for me, when I talk to someone else's in English, so I feel rejuvenate. I feel I am in heaven. This
Yes, yes.
language give me the kind of happiness.
Yes, yes. I feel the same way because
Yeah,
it was my dream to speak fluently. Though I cannot get satisfied that I told in each and every video because I want to speak more good and good. So that's
Yeah,
why
yeah,
I want to keep myself unsatisfied, so that in this
yeah,
bid I can learn more good, I can speak more good,
yeah,
better
yeah.
than previously.
But
So yes, I
but
think
you don't pressurize your health.
yes, definitely. Now I have understood the meaning of health, and definitely I'm keeping it above all. Now,
Yeah,
first I take rest. If I still feel that I have spare time, then I means converse with people and give time to my
yeah.
practice.
Otherwise, no. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Because
Yeah,
if you are not physically fine, your mind does not work even. Whatever
yeah,
you
yeah,
have to say, you forget. I have
yeah, yeah,
experienced
yeah,
this also. Means in a bit to
yeah,
converse with people, because
yeah.
many times when you change the timings, the person does not come up. So in a
Hmm.
bit to converse
Yeah.
with people, I was started
Hmm.
session on their preferable time, but I was wrong. That session used to go very worst, because if you're not
Yeah, yeah,
physically
yeah,
fine and if you are
yeah,
sitting conversing with people, then you could not speak even properly.
yeah,
Forget about those new ideas and thought, you cannot utter a word. That was happening
yeah,
with me. So
yeah.
I just gave a pause, I stopped myself, what am I doing? So after that, I, started changing my life. Like first, I should prioritize my health, and after that
Hmm.
comes
Hmm.
everything for me.
This thing happened to me uh, many time. My mind pushed me go and practice, but my health not didn't allow me. So I was into practice with co-learner. So I started making mistake, a lot of mistake, and after that talk I thought I forget everything, and won't mistake in future. If my body don't allow me, I don't talk to anyone, because
Yes.
of
Even if
tiredness we make a mistake.
yes,
Yeah,
yes. Because your mental status and your physical well-being are connected to each other. So tell me, ma'am, one more thing. Like you have experience, so you have talked to so many people and have taken experience from them. What kind of experience have you got talking with people? Like, can you share any one of them?
yeah. I have improved a lot, and because earlier my pronunciation was not good. Nowadays, not good, but I improved little bit. You can say.
It's been only 6 months. It's been only 6 months. How can you expect? Still,
Yeah,
you are
yeah.
doing so good. Yes, in spite of your physical issues, you are working continuously on it. So I think that's
Thanks.
commendable in itself.
Thanks for appreciation. Because, ma'am, you know, na, I am means old than you. I have completed my 53 years old, and when I was studying, that time there was no English book in primary school. I saw my first English book in sixth class, but that time I didn't give any priority to this language. That's why I started learning by watching YouTube videos. I haven't taken any class because I am a ill person. I'm not going to do any job at this age. That's why
Yes,
I am
yes, yes.
learning this language gradually, slowly, without giving any pressure
That
to my body. And I want to
yes,
ask
that
one
is the
thing. If I sent you in your past, what would you like to do? Work which you haven't do in your childhood.
yes, definitely like childhood, like purely childhood.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, I think I passed my childhood well. If you can take me to my past, definitely the time which my time was wasted. Those I want to bring back those 10 years
yeah,
where I just, was struggling my health issues and all. Because at that time, you are very much energetic also in your 20s. You are very
yeah,
much energetic. You can do so
yeah,
many things at a time. So
yeah,
definitely I want to bring back that time, which is not possible. Yes,
yeah,
but better late than never, we can say. Whenever I think it's up to God wish, we must carry on with our hard work and leave in everything up to him. So yes, that's how I have also started my journey. And come what may, even though I take rest, I'll take a gap, but I'm not going to give up, because through this way only I have to start again. I have to stand up again. So I'll
Mm.
keep on learning
Yeah, yeah,
continuously.
yeah, yeah. And my man motive is I don't give up and I will improving day by day according to my
Yes, yes.
health. And I want to know one thing. What is your strategy to learn this language? What is your method? Do you share with me so I can
Yes,
use
yes, yes.
and I improve?
Yes, yes. Initially, I was using apps, means to like I also started my journey from scratch as a beginner only. So initially, I used to find so much of problem giving my introduction and like that. So even though I was able to give my introduction, but I had a lot of hesitation. So I started improving myself through different apps, because in apps, every time you converse with different people, so they start with the introduction every time. So
Mm.
from there, I think I started giving my basic introduction and little things which are very basic. And after that, I think on and off, I was conversing with my children also. And
Mm.
yes, you definitely need a partner also with whom you
Yeah,
can,
yeah, yeah.
converse
Mm.
sometimes. And but now, because earlier I used to make myself, I used to get worried a lot. Now there is no
Okay.
one whom to practice. I'll go out of practice. What to do? So I
Yeah.
was means I used to bother myself a lot. So just to get rid from this problem, I started talking to Chat GPT. Though it was not
Okay.
very much helpful, but at
Yeah.
least I was satisfied that my tongue is used to speaking this language. So that's how I started.
Mm.
I used to take any topic and start talking to Chat GPT. At least it was reverting me. And
Yeah.
Chat GPT comes up with so many ideas of a
Yeah.
particular
Yeah.
topic,
Mm.
and related to stories also. Like I always describe, I every time narrate stories to myself.
Yeah.
After listening to any story, I start narrating it to myself. This way, I think at least I get satisfaction that I'm speaking.
Yeah.
If I'm not getting time to converse with anyone, or if I'm not getting any partner to speak with,
Yeah.
at least I'm
Mm.
speaking with myself. Doesn't matter, I'm into practice. Yes, I can speak,
Yeah.
I'm not
Yeah.
out of practice. So
Mm.
this way I'm satisfying myself, and I
Mm.
feel like I'm in touch of this language, so that's enough
Yeah.
for
Yeah.
me.
Yeah. And you are not into any group.
Yes, I'm into group. I'm
Okay.
into three groups,
Mm.
but
And
mm,
mm,
mhm.
can you tell me the name of those groups?
Yes, if you want to be added, definitely I'll suggest your number over
Okay.
those groups.
Please
Yes,
send
yes,
me
yes.
number. And if
Yes,
I
yes,
talk,
definitely.
yeah, if I talk about ChatGPT, I am going to ask one question. ChatGPT, give me 10 answer.
Yes, 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 yes. We have to keep him quiet now. Keep quiet, it's
Yeah.
our turn. He keeps on speaking, speaking, and speaking.
How many video do you make in a day with the
Oh,
YouTuber column?
no, I do not get time. It's not about timing. It's about people also. You cannot get
Yeah,
many people to converse with. You have to
yeah,
find people. Yes. So
yeah,
I think in a third day or fourth day, I converse with people. Every third or fourth day, I do not get people on daily basis to converse with. Yes, on audio call, I do talk with people where
yeah.
added in a group, but
Mm.
it becomes difficult sometimes to find people and converse with them. But I think this is the best way to boost your confidence. If you find people on regular basis, this is the
Yeah,
best
yeah,
part. You can
yeah.
improve yourself a lot in every way.
Main thing
what
is
what about you? Like, do you get
myself.
time, or depends on your health issues?
At least I talk with the two people in a day in group.
Okay,
This
okay,
way
okay.
I practice.
I felt very good after talking to you. You have become a motivation for me. Thank you.
Okay, if you get something from me, it's my
Yes.
pleasure, ma'am. And it was nice talking to you. Have a nice day. Bye.